Nice and tight, looks clean, everything's protected, and I don't have to open it up, it's already open. I just flip open the mount and turn it on and it's ready to go. Another option, if you want the water jetted foam from your original packaging, this actually fits in here. You gotta push it in, it's a little snug, but you can use that to put, depending on what drone you have, put the drone in there. I don't like this because it gets caught on the propellers. But you put this in here and then you make a special light foam holder for your controller and your battery.